it's not about the uniform, but the person who wears it. Working at Absolute Healthcare is a very rewarding experience for me. Quality care is what we stand for. I'm so proud to be part of Absolute.
Go red. You wear it. Now feel it. Go red. Put your hand on your heart and make a promise to be heart healthy. Go red. Take a moment and go red in your own fashion. Go red. Love your heart. Now, join the American Heart Association's Go Red for Women.
The Reflection Awards is said to be the longest running and most prestigious event of its kind in the film community sa Amerika. Tulad ng nakaraang awards, malaking attraction sa 19th Reflections Awards ang fashion show. As the show was going on, Lifetime Achievement awardee Nora Honor quietly slipped in and settled at her table. Kumusta po?
Mabuti naman. Kumusta kayo?
Maraming nasasayahan ngayong gabi because you are here and you are gracing Monet Luce Reflection Awards.
Yeah, alam mo, sabi ko nga sa dami ng natanggap kong award mula na nag-artista ako up to now. 3 years na ako dito sa States, hindi ba? And isa ito sa pinakamahalagang award na natanggap ko ngayon. And noong sinabi nga sa akin na isa ako sa mga awardee, ang medyo nag-alangan ako kasi sabi ko, baka naman hindi bagay sa akin. Pero sabi ko, alam ko ang Reflection ay isang napaka-prestige na award-giving body. And sa pangunguna ni Monet, actually, first time ko na-meet si Monet ngayon at talagang proud ako sa gabi ito at masaya-masaya ako dahil sa mayroon pa rin mga tao na naniniwala at nagtitiwala sa akin. And iti-treasure ko maigi ng tao sa puso ang pagbibigay sa akin ng award ngayong gabi.
Maraming mga tagahanga mo ang naghihintay sa iyo sa Pilipinas. Kailan po ba kayo uuwi sa Pilipinas?
Siguro pagkatapos ng may mga shows pa kasi ako. Like sa November 17, nasa Tennessee ako. And then January 26, dito sa Beverly Hills Auditorium, High School Auditorium, kasama ko si Pip. Guy and Pip together again. January 26 po.
One last question, Abigail. Alam mo, paano nakayanan ng isang Nora Honor ang bumalik at mag-bounce back sa mga challenges na nangyari sa buhay niya?
Alam mo na unang-una sa paniniwala sa taas. And naniniwala pa rin ako na kapag ang isang tao ay talagang wala namang ginagawang masama or, wala namang perfectong tao. But then, alam na ang Diyos naman hindi natutulog. And kapag dumating yung mga pagsubok, lalo na yung nangyari sa akin, hindi ka dapat mawala ng pag-asa sapagkat yun ay pagsubok lamang at alam ng Diyos na kaya-kaya mong kaya-kaya mong matapos lahat, lahat ng pagsubok na yun.
Well, in behalf of the entire cast of the Live Pinoy Style, the newest program sa TFC, congratulations sa iyo at mabuhay ka. The only superstar, Nora Honor, mga kaibigan. Talagang salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Di katagalan, Reflection awardees were handed their plaques na kasama ang inyong lingkod sa grupo ng presenters. As the event wound to a close, we caught up with the tired but still very much in control Monet Lu. Ayan, Monet, tapos na. Isa na namang successful Reflections ang naipundar mo sa Los Angeles.
Oh my God, talagang God's blessing itong nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kasi sino ba naman mag-aakala ng isang mahirap na nangangarap lang na mapunta sa Amerika at nagkaroon ng ganitong pagtitipon. Ang respeto na binibigay sa akin ng ating community, ang ating mga kababayan, kaya hindi ko sila pwedeng kalimutan. I love you all, Filipino-American.
What's in store for you and after a big event like this? A vacation or baka you will sleep all day tomorrow?
Sleep all day tomorrow maybe, but let me see. Yeah, I think I'm going to Disneyland.
I am sure, Monet, marami kang gustong pasalamatan.
Lahat ng under the Reflections Event Specialist na nagtangkilik, sumuporta, kayo, thank you for inspiring me.
What, you have any plans for next year for another Reflections Award?
Reflection 20 will be the last reflection. I have promised myself, I ask God right now, God is telling me that, Monet, you have better things to do. You have given yourself for 20 years, so end it with a big bang. That's what I'm hearing.
How do you measure success?
Success is not measured by material wealth. Hindi lang what you have. Ito, as a matter of fact, ang mga wealth na binibigay sa akin ng Panginoon, sinashare ko. Just knowing that you can sleep in the night na soundly at sinasabi mo na natulungan mo ang mga kababayan natin, ang kapatid mo, ang kaibigan mo, at ang mga kamag-anak mo. That, I think, for me, not counting material wealth, success is helping our friends and family.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. You may have missed cooking with me on this episode, pero sana naman po nabusog kayo sa inspiring story ni Monet Lu at ng mga awardees. At bago po tayo tuluyang magtapos, paalala lang po, kung meron kayong mga recipe na gusto nyong i-share, perhaps meron kayong interesting or inspiring stories ng mga kababayan natin abroad, sulatan nyo naman ako. Who knows, one of these days, I might come knocking on your door. Ikwento nyo habang nagluluto tayo. Salamat din kay Kenneth Cotamora at ang aking executive producer na si Rom Nichols for co-hosting this big event tonight for Monet Lu's Reflection Awards. I will see you again in the next week's episode of Life Pinoy Style. Goodbye.
Life Pinoy Style would like to thank the following sponsors. Monet Salons. Experience the unmistakable Monet touch only at Monet Salons, with branches in Hollywood Boulevard, Panorama City, Van Nuys, and Las Vegas. For appointments, call 213-216-4923. O Skincare by Olivia Quito. Discover the younger-looking you at O Skincare. Located at 17808 South Pioneer Boulevard, Suite 112, Artesia, California 90701, with telephone number 562-897-1445. Bahay Kubo Natin Restaurant. For a taste of real Filipino homestyle cooking, visit Bahay Kubo at 2330 West Temple Street, Los Angeles, California 90026, or call 213-413-4804 for orders and catering information.
I'm doing fine, thank you. I'm sorry.
Life Pinoy Style is brought to you by the Cooking and Hospitality Institute of Chicago, La Cordon Bleu program.